most common question I get is, what am I supposed to do once I have my business set up? So here's a few things that you can actually start to work on to make sure you are building the business credit correctly. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you actually set up your business credit profiles. This is going to be with Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. You want to make sure that these are set up properly, because when you start to add your trade lines onto the profile, the lenders are going to be reporting these directly to the business credit agencies. So you want to make sure that the information that you have with these agencies are correct, because the lenders are going to match these, and this is how it actually gets attached to your business credit profile. The second thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you are monitoring these profiles to make sure, again, everything is matching correctly. Because once you move on to tier 2, you start to apply for retail and store credit. The lenders are actually going to be pulling these reports to see how credit worthy your business is. The last thing that you want to happen is your trade lines not being reported correctly, and then it's going to end up causing a denial. So those are some of the things that you want to work on, which is getting the profile set up, adding your trade lines on, and continuing to monitor the profiles. So if you need more assistance on this, don't hesitate to reach out to me. And if you found this video helpful, I want you to make sure you like, follow, and share. I'll see you in the next video.